let's face it, I kind of warned you guys about this item. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new, welcome back. If you're a returning subscriber, my name's Jonathan. I make luxury videos, unboxings, and reviews. And today I have a Louis Vuitton unboxing, so let's get into it. So before I get started with today's video, you guys know what to do. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. It really does help my channel grow. I make videos every Friday on luxury content, men's style, Louis Vuitton unboxings, you name it, it's here on this channel. So if you like that kind of content, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you want to see what I got from Louis Vuitton, then keep on watching. So this item, I think I'm the very first person to unbox this on YouTube. I haven't seen any videos on this so far as of shooting this video. This item was released on June 3rd. If that gives any indication as to what it might be, it is a part of the men's collection. And I have been collecting these specific items for over 3 years. So this is the last drop of the collection, if that gives any hint as to what it may be. So without further ado, I am super excited. So let's just get right into this unboxing. So as you can tell, I did order this online. So I'm just gonna go pull the tab here. Any guesses from what I said in my intro, what this might be? So this opens this way. Oops. It says Louis Vuitton. You do get the receipts, as well as they gave me a shopping bag. That's nice. And then it is cutely packaged in here. Obviously it's an SLG because you know me, I am an SLG holic. So this is the packaging. Oh, it's actually so cutely wrapped. Okay, let's go ahead and open it. I am super excited. As of shooting this video, this item is actually still available on the website. So if you like what you see, you can definitely go ahead and purchase it. And so the item that I actually ended up getting, and this is my very first time seeing it, I'll give you guys a little sneak peek. But the item that I ended up purchasing was, oh my gosh. So this is the Louis Vuitton and NBA pocket organizer for drop number 3. If you're not new to my channel, you're gonna know that I've been collecting these since the very first drop. So I have one from the first drop, now one from the second drop, and this is the final drop with the collaboration with Louis Vuitton and the NBA. And so naturally, I just had to go and pick this one up. Let me go ahead and show you guys what it looks like. Wow, I'm just amazed. I haven't seen this in person, as I mentioned, so I want to give it a first look, but I'll let you guys see it first, and then I'll do a good look of it after. Hey everyone, Editing John here. Unfortunately, this video is actually a fail Louis Vuitton unboxing, which is probably my first. I think it actually is my first fail. I was super excited, which makes me so sad editing this video because I was so excited to unbox this and add this into my collection. But then I looked at it off camera, a little bit more detail, and I kind of noticed something really wrong with the piece. And so I am going to be returning this one. I have placed another order. Hopefully that one comes in a better condition, but I will show you what I'm referring to towards the end of the video, so keep watching. But I'll give you guys a little bit of a close-up. So this is what the front looks like. This is what the side looks like. This is what the back looks like. And then this is what the interior looks like. And I love, this one is made in France. And as you can see, it says LV and NBA on the inside. And so this, if you guys are interested, again, as of shooting this video, it is still available on the website. The product code is going to be 81663. And this is actually made out of full leather. And so with this being full leather, the price tag had leather price tagging. And I'm not gonna lie, this was a really expensive item, but naturally I had to still purchase it just so I can complete my set. But this here in Canada does retail for 845 Canadian dollars. And then after the sales tax, it was about 955 Canadian dollars. So again, pretty steep for a pocket organizer, but I absolutely love it. I love how subtle the monogramming is on the pocket organizer itself. So like you can barely tell that there is even monogramming on it, especially on the back. So this is what I'm talking about. So as you can see, the monogramming that is supposed to be embossed on the bag is actually barely visible. So I reached out to a couple people and asked, and even my sales associate, I asked if this is how it's supposed to be, and they said that it's most likely not, just because you can tell from the front of the pocket organizer itself, like you can see how a little bit more defined the imprints of the monogram are in comparison to the back, where like you can barely tell that it's there. Like it depends on the angle that you kind of like look at it, but you can see how that is not even defined. Even if you look outside of the pocket, like right here, these are a little bit more defined than even like the fleur-de-lis there. So unfortunately, I'm not the most picky person, but with this, I don't think I could keep this, especially with the 950 Canadian price tag. So I'm hoping that the new one that I ordered is not going to have this issue, just because for the price that I paid for this. And again, I'm not the most picky person. I can deal with little imperfections here and there, but I think this is a huge fault on its own. You could really tell that it's really like grained leather. Like you could really see like grainings of the leather here. Absolutely love this. I am gonna do a more of a deeper look off camera, just because, you know, Louis Vuitton and quality issues. So I have to just do my due diligence and check this out. But I just wanted to share this with you because I'm super happy to finally add this into my collection. I actually just grabbed my other two because I wanted to show you guys, just in case you haven't seen any of my other videos on these. But these are the three that I have now in my collection. So this one was the first drop, this was the second drop, and now this is the third. With all three drops, there were two different pocket organizers with the exception of the third drop. This is the only one that you can get for the third drop for the Louis Vuitton and NBA collab. However, with these two, there were two different versions, but I ended up only picking one from each just because at the time these are really expensive because they are limited editions. So I just wanted to get my favorite out of the two rather than collecting them both. But I'm just super happy that I was able to add these into my collection. Again, this is gonna be my favorite one out of all three, just because I love how this one looks like a true basketball. But each of them represents a different point in time. For the 3-year collab Louis Vuitton did have. So regardless, I'm just happy I'm able to add all three of them into my collection. Thank you so much for watching. I really do hope you enjoyed today's video. Again, it was just a really quick Louis Vuitton unboxing of my new pocket organizer from the LV and NBA collab drop 3. If you like this kind of content, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.